finished the Bantu knots, 2-strand twist Bantu knots. Now when she takes this style down, it's going to be naturally curly all over. It's good to keep it up for probably about a day or two. You probably could even go for probably maybe a week or so with wearing your Bantu knots. And then, this is a protective hairstyle. When you take down each knot, the hair is going to have its own crinkle curl pattern. It's going to look beautiful in an afro. So, if you want to try this style, you can book me online. I do accept walk-ins. www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly. Or you can try this at home. And I can let you know the products that I used and send you information. I love design essential products. However, in this particular video, I used my own homemade hair growth oil on her scalp. And a bottle like this is $100 and it lasts for about 3 months. You only use dime size to quarter size amounts to oil your scalp once a week, and your hair will grow like Rapunzel. Subscribe, like, comment on natural styles that you want to see. Stylist John, I'm out.